Alright folks, I'm out at the shop getting a little work done, so y'all don't pay no attention to my mess I got going on here. But I wanted to, I just finished up a couple knives and some knife blocks that I wanted to share with y'all before they got gone, and I forgot to do a video on them because they're some really cool knives. We got a case Mako that I redone. Uh, and this it had some scuffs and scratches on the blade, which I got most out, not all of it out, and replaced the original handles with some camel bone and polished everything up real good. Very pretty knives. They turned out excellent. We done the Mako, and then we had the Hammerhead. And it's got the camel bone on it as well. Now with that camel bone, what I did on it is after it was all fitted and shaped and all that stuff, I done just a little bit of burning in this part. I didn't do it on the all the way out because I think it looks really cool with that effect right there. But I keep on hitting that camera. Y'all can see how pretty that is. And the knife, I mean, it was in pretty good shape to begin with, but it shined up and polished up really well. So that's the Mako and the Hammerhead, and then I done, these are going out for a customer. It's double XL knives is who these are for. So I made him some custom knife blocks with his logo on them. Now, these come off the 3D printer, but they turned out really cool too. But I wanted to share these with y'all before they got gone, because they'll get picked up, and then I'll say, man, I wish I'd have made a video on those, and I wish I'd have done some before shots, but I didn't actually think about it. I think I do have some of the before handles. That's what come off the Hammerhead right there. It's the old black handles. And I think it was the same color. I think these might have had a little bit of wood grain to them. That's what come off the knives, and we replaced it with a camel bone, which is a vast improvement in my opinion. But y'all tell me what you think about those. Give me your thoughts and opinions on those and let me know. And I know y'all have seen some of my posts about revamping the name. The Rugged Cross Knives is still there. I'm going with the Rugged Cross Customs on most of my social fronts, just to try to avoid the persecution that they give us for having the word knives or the word knife in our name or anything like that. So, and plus the custom part of it kind of just fits what I do more now. I mean, because that's about all I do is custom work. So that's the reasoning behind it. But anyway, I appreciate y'all watching the video. I hope y'all have enjoyed it. And like I said, don't pay attention to my table. I got a lot of projects going on. A lot more over here behind me. Just when you think you're going to get caught up, there it comes again. But it's a good problem to have. Thank y'all so much for watching. Love y'all. God bless.